Hello Internet, I'm Luke WH, and we're back looking at this stream deck thing. This is probably going to be quite a short one. I'm on baby watch. I have two monitors here actually, so if they wake up I will be going, simple as. Some of this is updated, volume down, volume up. Last time we worked on when I switched the microphone off and on, the sync, the pulse audio sync, so the music in the background fades out or fades down and up gradually. I've also added the volume up and volume down buttons. I've also added this CTA, so if I click that, what happens is, if I'm actually on it and I click it, what happens is you'll see it's blue for a while because it's waiting for the script to run. It adds a little thing here, look, below me, over here. It's just a little call to action to try and get people to click the follow button, because that's the thing that you have to do. And it runs it for 10 seconds, I think, or 30 seconds, and then removes it again. Currently, I have to manually click it, which isn't ideal. So one thing that I'd like to do, there we go, it's finished and it shows everything. One thing that I'd like to do is to have that run on your regular cadence. So I might try and look at that now quickly. I guess the other thing I'll show is the gradual fade. So if I mic off, I'll do it on my tablet instead. Well, no, I'll do it on the screen so you can see it. The issue is, I think the music goes too loud. So what I might do is try and compensate by turning the music down, so that when it does go, it doesn't go quite so loud, because it goes really loud. I have seen my microphone isn't quite, like the gain isn't there. But anyway, that's that. The amount that I'll turn it off and on, like last stream, I think it was annoying because I was turning my microphone off and the music was coming up really loud all the time. This time I have no reason to turn the microphone on and off because I'm not testing it. So that's cool. So if we have a look over here and we go to Emacs, yes, this is the CTAs. So what we're doing is we have a CTAs TXT. This just has 4. So we get those CTAs file. We have a data CTA file. So in that data file, basically anything in the data folder now is something that OBS will read from. So there's, I think CTA is the only one that's in there now. So it's just a normal text file. So if I go to data CTA, that's the one that just showed. If I click it again, hopefully a different CTA will show. I've seen that it's not always that random, but anyway, it's meant to be random. It's the same one. I don't know why. I did wonder whether it's not because it's catching up. As you'll see here, it's 10 seconds. Nope, still the same one. Or maybe it's not updating. Anyway, so it counts the number of lines, and then it basically does a random. It uses random to get an index, and then it gets that index. Hey Yannick, how's it going? I'm still working on this stream deck thing, having fun with it. I mean, the idea was that I would be working on it for, I don't know, like a few hours, and then I would actually get on with, I don't know, streaming something else, like doing the QuickMU website, which I know I need to do. But this has just become a time sink, as you well know. And the only time that I have to actually do this and mess around is also the time that I have to stream. So I'm just streaming it. But I hope you're well and welcome. I'm just showing off the CTA. I know I'm gonna have to put an end to it, really. I'm just gonna have to be like, right, this is good enough at a certain point. And I think it's probably when this CTA stuff happens, automatically, which is what I want to look at today, just really quickly. See if I can get it just showing on a regular cadence. So if I click this, it will probably still show the same one. That's a bug that I have as well. It doesn't seem to be, yeah, it's just showing the same CTA below me here. It's meant to pick from a list, this list, but it always seems to pick this one. So I need to figure that out. And also, I don't want to have to manually trigger it. I like that I can manually trigger it, that it shows up here. But I would like it to just do it in the background and then become. It could be. I'm not sure because I'm using random, and I'm not sure how that seed works. So the method I used. See, I don't know enough about Bash really to know. The way I figured it out. Oh, CTA count. That's why. That's 0. So if I do 4. So 4, 6. I didn't do 4, I did 6. Because I can't type. See, it seems to be random, right? Yeah, well that's what I was thinking. If I... You know what, let's add some... Let's just add some kind of debugging in, right? So let's just fix this first before I automate it. That's a good point. Let's do that. Yeah, exactly. That looks random, right? See, that one's a different one. That's a different one. See. Okay, well, is it time-based? Is random time-based? Am I doing it too quickly? Maybe I need a better way to do it. There's probably a better way to do it, right? Number in bash. Conduct.co with examples. Perfect. Yeah, sure, I agree. See. Random could be 1 or blah blah blah. Okay, so I can make it more random. Fair enough. Okay, well let's just try doing that. Let's see if that helps. So what is this doing? So it's just doing the same thing, right? And what is that doing? It's just cutting. I don't even know what that cut command does. But hey, let's try it. Let's see what happens. What's the worst that can happen, eh? Everything breaks. I want to copy it. Why would... Silly edge. I don't know why it does that. Let's try. Let's just chuck it in. Oop. Error token. I mean, line 3, value too great for base error token is cool. So that doesn't actually work. Well, yeah, exactly. And the thing is, it's not even from Stack Overflow, right? So it's like another level of dodge. Right, let's get off that. linuxconfig.org. Here we go, Stack Overflow. This will be the one. This will be the one. Well, I don't... Ooh. Is dev random available? Well, exactly. It has Linux. Well, it has Linux in the URLs, and it has config, so they must know what they're doing. So... Where simple, blah, 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 blah. Here we go. Be careful here. This is annoying, isn't it? I'm like, oh. Shuff. Oh my god, look. Try this from your shell. Look at that. That's amazing. Why? Orc. You know what, I'm going to try orc. Why not? Let's just chuck it in here for now. And then let's echo random. And then exit straight away. And let's just run it from there. Okay, cool. Let's just... Okay, so that just does a ton of randoms, does it? I should probably actually read what the orc thing is doing. Okay, so da. So I don't need the loop, essentially. But then, what is rand? So rand times 100, let's just... Okay, that doesn't seem random. Am I just... Maybe I'm just trying to randomize too quickly, hey? Maybe that's the thing. I mean, that seems better, but the number is massive. What about if I do the same trick of like mod 4? That doesn't seem to make any difference. Nope. You know what, maybe just random is fine. Let's see what it does the next time. I don't want to spend too long on it. Oh. Yeah, I know, right? Very weird. But maybe it's fine. I don't know, maybe this is something to dig into separately. So, see, that is a different one. So let's see if... Yeah, weird. Maybe I'm just trying to do them too close together. No idea. Yeah, so basically what it does, it saves it to the file. It picks a random one, picks a random CTA, saves it to a file, to a data file. OBS then picks that up as just a text source in the right place. It sleeps for 5 seconds so that OBS can, like, I've found that OBS isn't that good at figuring out that text has changed in a file when you're doing it as a file source. Sleep for 5 seconds, it doesn't really matter. And then it shows the main text CTA, again with the password, because paranoid. Sleeps for 30 seconds, so it shows on screen for 30 seconds, and then it hides it. Job is a good one. So that seems fine, but I want to automate it. And actually, if I go to server, I have this start script that I'm not actually using right now, but it essentially opens it and gets the Flask PID. But what I'm thinking is I maybe want to trigger it here, I guess. Or I could just run it in another emulator. Maybe I'll run it in a different emulator. In another terminal, sorry. So CTA auto. CTA auto. And the reason that it starts with an underscore is so that the script isn't picked up by the web app, so it doesn't show on the stream deck. Hacky, messy, but it works. And honestly, that's what's important to me right now. Let's just straight away make it executable. CTA auto. Why is there another underscore CTA? Oh, CTAs, yeah, because that's the list of, fine. That makes sense. So, how do I do this? Do I just do it while it's running? Then I have to have the script running all times, right? I agree. Although I did spend a bit of time trying to make it beautiful. And by beautiful I mean not just text and the name of the file. But yeah, I agree. Okay, so we want to, first of all, just run cta.sh. That's the first thing this script does. And we make sure that that works. It does. Fantastic. How does while bash while loop? Can you just do a while loop forever? Just in a, I guess, just in a with a sleep, right? Don't see any reason not to. Cool. While one makes sense to me. So while one do D. No, don't do release upgrade. That's a bit extreme. Oh, done. And we will say sleep. I don't know. How often do I want to do this? 5 minutes, I guess. Or just let's just try every minute for now. Make sure it works. I mean, I guess that's it, right? I just need to remember to run it every time. So now I've done it for a minute, which seems a bit crazy because it'll execute it. That takes 40 seconds. Baby noises. That takes 40 seconds. Is she going to settle? She settled. Very good. Is it 40 seconds still? No, it's find alternative. Yes, go there. So it sleeps for 5 now, which I think is fine. If I could type, so that's basically sleeps for 30. So the actual script takes 35 seconds, and then the sleep takes 60. So what's that? 95 seconds. So it's done once. So in a minute it should do it again, which I guess is fine. So basically every time you need to add 30 seconds. So if I want to do it every 5 minutes, I do 4 minutes, I guess, which I guess is fine. Like, works out. I just want to make sure that it does it again. I want to see if it does a different one as well to see how the random works. So I probably could have reduced this to 30 seconds, but hey. Oh, there we go. There's a different one. So actually, maybe just doing it more infrequently is the thing to do for the random. That seems to work. So then, well, let's let it finish so that it hides, otherwise it'll stay on. Which I guess is the other thing. I need to shut it down cleanly to ensure that these sources are in the right state. I guess I could catch that, but all of this is hacky, so it's fine. What was I going to do? Just chuck that over there, get it out of the way so I can keep an eye on it. Okay, it's hidden. Quick, before it starts again. Cool. So actually, I just want to do this for like 240, I guess, 4 minutes. And then just run it. Do I want to run it in the background? But then how do I kill it? Let's grep for grasp for CTA. So I could kill it. I could have a script that starts it and kills it. Starts with it, chucks it in the background and kills it, which could be part of the start.sh for the web app. I could do that. So I've changed my mind. This, all of this, could go in start. Oh no, can't. I want to keep that separate, and I want this to call it, right? So we should have in here, so it opens it and then it starts it. Right, let's do this at the top so it doesn't actually echo. What is it called? Server, what is it? Script dir. So that should already be there. Let's check. Dangerous. Start. Cool. So that's already there. So we just want to well, I guess we could just let's just do this script. It has the slash, so we could just do CTA auto.sh. I did stop the other one, didn't I? No, I didn't. Quick, stop it. Because I'm doing that locally. Okay. But if I do this one, because it's doing the it's doing this. Okay. Bash get current script directory. Will that work though? Because it's calling it. All this stuff that comes on websites these days. Dir name, huh? That's a thing. Really, that's a thing? Fair enough. Cool. That seems to work. Is that what I called it in script? Script, should be scripts, but hey. Let's do that, and let's do scripter. Hang on, did script, no it didn't. Cool, it didn't have the end slash. Okay. So, project password, data, CTA. Right, okay, so all of these need updating to have with this instead of pwd. Fine. Script dirt. Close that out. Any others? No, I think that's it. Oh. Oh, hang on. What are we in? CTA 16. Oh. Nope, that one. Give it a go. Cool. Ah, this old thing though, where it's not using. You know what? Forget doing it in here. Let's do it in here. We already have, let's do it in the Python, in the actual web app, because we already have it. We can control it better, right? But it will, this will lock it out though, true? True? I read true. This will lock things out though, won't it? The slow digit 0 sending. If I want it out the main thread. There must be a way. This is the like threads in Python. Oof, never done it. So next the go thread 1 false. 2 on join. I don't want to use threads. What is a better way of doing this? There's a better way of doing this. There is a better way. Maybe there isn't. Background scheduler. Schedule background scheduler, add job, print date time, trigger interval seconds, scheduler start. Note that 2 of these schedulers will be launched. I don't think that this is the best way to do it. I just want to run a script on a regular interval. How do I do it? Unless I just, for now, I just run it. Maybe that's fine. I just need to, maybe for now it's fine. I don't have that much time to figure it out. Let's just start it running. Let's see what happens. Because maybe I could chuck it in the background and then just kill it. That might work. How do you do it? Oh my god, I've I've completely forgotten mind blank. Running background. Here we go. Why have I just had a mind blank? Yeah, sure, whatever. Take all my data. Who cares? I think that might actually be fine. Because, yeah, that might be fine. Because maybe if I go in, start here, I could CD into, well, okay, what? Get current directory into a variable to move to scripts folder 3 start CTA auto.sh in background 4 CD back to original directory 5 continue. So current directory is dir name, right? Oh, yeah. So not in scripts, in this one. Nah, what are you talking about? There we go. So that's fine. Exit. So then CD script dir dit, nope, dir. Then we just want to do CTA auto.sh ampersand CD. Cool. Thanks for just hanging about, Yannick. Have a good one. Hopefully I'll get out of bashing this, something that I can actually like do efficiently sometime. But thanks for coming by. Appreciate it. And have a good one. And then just continue. So that should work, right? Right, so then that's still failing because it's doing it. Why is it doing it from? It's probably because we need to derenv. Env. Because we need to get the environment variables when we CD. So it does all that. Env in scripts. Wow, your mobile number. Intense. Let's just try that. That might work. So it should wait 5 seconds and then I'll try to do it. Okay, it's doing it and it's still outputting. So let's we actually want to output that to and then disown it. No. So we want to chuck I don't actually think I want to. I think I just want to put it in CTA.log. Okay, that seems to be working. I don't need to know the current directory anymore. But let's open another one of these. But it won't be putting it here, will it? Oop, where's it gone? Yeah, we want to do current dir CTA.log. I think. So that was this one, right? Yep. So if we look in here, let's probably create a CTA.log. Yep. Yeah. So then this one should now be going. And there should be a CTA.log in here. Yep, cool. So let's let's get rid of the numbers because it's going to get annoying. Let's delete the CTA log. Let's get rid of that CTA log, which should just be CTA.log. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. So if I cancel that and I do, oh hang on, flags need the argument. Well, let's see what happens. Let's ampersand that into well, let's just do start. Oh, hang on. Let's kill it there first. Do that. It should open. But it's going to sleep still. Is it going to sleep still? I'm not actually sure. It doesn't seem to have done anything. Maybe in CTA auto we should do that there. And that's CTA log. But it won't have killed it, right? So it's running twice. Oh my god, 718. Okay, it should no longer be running. It's not enough just to disown. I'm gonna have to do this. So active CTA PID. So with that that seemed to work when it was there. Okay. That should work, so let's kill it. But it's not Z, is it? FN, I think. Kill. Right, let's see. It says it's not running. Let's see if a CTA comes up. CTA came up. So in another terminal, please. Where have you gone? There you are. PS. So it is running. So it's shown it, and it should go away soon. Then another one should come up. Hopefully another one will come up. It's gone away. That's a good sign. It set it to 4 minutes though, so that's working, but I don't think the server has started, right? No. So it's here, it's doing that. Maybe we just need a no hop. Let's try it, why not? Because we should get onto all the Flask stuff, but it's just not getting there. So we're getting caught up. Flask command not found. Okay, what directory are we in? Okay, so is the issue here that because we go and we add the dir.env, do we need to do that again? Okay, that worked. So it's all to do with the environment variables. Let's see, so click the heart to follow and be notified of future streams. Let's see, just one is running, which is good. It means the other one was killed, if there was another one. Okay, so that one's gone. So then we should be able to wait, what, like, don't know, a couple of minutes. We should get another one. Let's see what happens. Ooh. I'm gonna add a cheeky little thing as well. That by that. It could be that. I'm just adding a little goal counter thing. Apparently you can just do this. Apparently that's the thing. Transform. Let's see what happens. Do that. Cool. Let's go out of there and let's just add it in. I want a scene and we want that, but it doesn't show. I have to start it. Oh, I see. Oh, look. That's fancy. It's too big though. That's way too big. That needs to be like, and over here probably. And then like, let's have a look. This is, how wide is that? 269. Of course it is. A nice round number. Oh no, wait. Maybe that's it. Let's check. Close enough. Cool. This seems to be running. Has another one come up? Not yet. So that still works. You ready for some loud music? Sorry, just going to test it. But another CTA. Come on, cool. You know what? I'm going to call that a win. So as long as I run the start script, it means that when I'm modifying the script, the Python script, it's not great, but as things currently stand, I can just start streaming other things now. So maybe next time I will do something else. Maybe I will do the QuickMU website that I've already started, but I need to improve, as you can see, because it's very basic. You need to get some screenshots, other stuff on there. So I'll maybe do that next time. Yeah, and at some point I might do something on the Bangle.js, which is a smartwatch that is powered by JavaScript. This is the second version, and there's all the apps here, and I have it so that if I connect it, it shows all these things, and you can, yeah, it's all JavaScript, so I might do something on that. But yeah, one thing at a time. QuickMU next. I think this is in a good place. So yeah, I'm going to call that done for today, I think, and I will see some of you, one of you, two of you, who knows, next time. Take care, and I shall see you later. Bye.